giving your television the bulk of your time because it's entirely passive. It is a trance inducer, and it's okay. Everybody needs to zone out every now and then. I know I do. I'm saying you don't have to cut it out permanently. Maybe take a break. It is a trance inducer. It's meant to sell products. It's even if you're watching Netflix or Prime Video or something, you still are better off getting breaks and getting out away from sitting passively.
100% agree. It's a trance inducer, as are many other things that you can do.
Correct.
Riding my bike in town can be a trance inducer. I was talking about that.
But a much healthier one.
Yeah. I go on a nice 20-kilometer route, whatever you want to call it, and I get a lot of thinking done with them, walking or riding my bike or working out. So think of other trance inducers that are useful for your life to replace, because what are you going to stop doing? Well, what are you going to replace it with, right? Yeah.
All right, so replace it with something more useful. Read or write, learn a language. This is going off the rails pretty fast.
Play a guitar. That's a trance inducer. I bought an acoustic.
That's a great one.
I bought an acoustic
guitar. You bought a
guitar.
nice one. Yeah,
I'm going to tell the story really quickly. So I was coming back. I hadn't seen some friends in Ottawa for many years.
Was this Chris Jaguar?
One I hadn't seen for Chris I hadn't seen for like 14 years, I think. And my other former roommate and a really close friend, Don, I hadn't seen him since his wedding about 9 years ago. And so on the way back to my house, I stopped in Peterborough, along in Macquarie. I just decided, I'm getting a guitar today. So I knew that it was opening around the time I would arrive. I got there, decided to go in, bought not an electric guitar, an acoustic guitar. I just wanted to have something I didn't have to plug in, something I could play anywhere. And I get home, and it's in a soft shell bag, and I bring it into the house, and I say to my wife, yeah, I bought a guitar. And she goes, really? How much did you spend? I said, well, I got to tell you, I played, they had so many to choose from, and I played guitars ranging from $300 up to $3,800. She goes, looks at me with horror. How much did you spend? I said, well, how much do you think I spent? She goes, 500? I said, oh no. I said it like that, implication much higher.
3,000,
yeah. 700? No. 1,000? No. Well, how much was it then? She's getting desperate. I said, $299. The look of relief. Whew. I said, yeah. And I just gave her the summary. I played all these guitars, and honestly, the one I liked best sound-wise shocked me. It was a $300 Yamaha. Yep.
Now listen,
there you go.
No, you're not. You're frugal. You are very careful. But that's good. And I've played it. It is a beautiful guitar. Now, that's very interesting. And I don't know how it fit in with anything here.
Well, it's starting things that you can start
with more useful.
I don't want to watch so much TV, and I do think
instrument. Yes.
I do think social media can be a trance inducer too, and YouTube. You've got to lump screen time in general.
I think so too.
Category nowadays.
I think so too.